Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another beautiful vintage Coach bag to share with you. So this time it is the Devon bag. So this is a nice smaller to medium sized crossbody bag with an adjustable crossbody strap. And then this is what it looks like on. So the bag sits nicely at my hip. So I'll go ahead and kind of give you the tour of the bag. So here's a close-up. As you can see, it's got a turn lock closure. And then here's the side of the bag and where the strap connects to the bag on this piece of hardware. And then here's the back. It's got a slip pocket along the back. And then it's also got the matching hang tag. And when we open the bag, it's got a zip pocket along the back of the bag. And then the creeds back there. Here's a photo of the creed so that you can see that the bag is authentic. So that's the beautiful Devon bag. I would say this one is in really nice condition. It looks like it was barely used, so this would make a great addition to anyone's vintage Coach collection. And it is available on our Etsy shop, so I will link it below just in case anyone wanted to check it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the new bags that we post weekly, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.